In the home page state, press and hook the screen to drag. Can enter the negative screen. Click on Template. Template content can be used directly. The text in the template can be edited and modified. You can also adjust the text size. Change text color. Change the alignment of text. Click Music. Background music can be inserted locally. Click to insert. Background images can be inserted from local or USB drives. Video documentation. Click Save. You can edit the template. Save in template customization. Click on the sidebar. Click on the Welcome page in all applications. Click Multimedia. Click to take a photo. Can take photos of people on site. Click to write. You can sign the photos you took. Sign-in photos can also be saved to local folders.